Today is August 30th. I'm starting therapy again for the third time. This time, though, I'm taking it seriously, and I'm even starting medication. I've never been on meds before, but how much of a difference can it make, anyways? They're just pills, right? For most of middle school, I just took in everything as it came. I didn't really care what I did or how I did it or what it led to. Back in elementary school, I used to hate trips to the laundromat. The harsh lights would hurt my eyes. We would stay there for what seemed like an eternity. And to make it worse, it would be late at night, so I'd get really tired. Not much has changed. Nowadays, though, everything seems to drive by me so fast. I feel really slow. I feel like there's not enough time. I feel like I should be doing more. And I feel like everyone's leaving me behind. There is so much I want to say, but at the same time, I don't want to share anything. I find that when I get too emotional, my throat will swell up. And that's not necessarily from me choking on my words as much as it is from me being overwhelmed by my thoughts. On the other hand, when I'm silent, there's room for me to ignore my thoughts instead of being overwhelmed by the pressure to organize them. It's like I get to sink into my surroundings instead of succumbing to them. I've had to find this balance of not caring, but caring enough so that I can put effort into things and give myself purpose while not draining myself. Not to say that I've perfected it, though. It's a daily struggle. A lot has changed for me recently. I started at a new school. I've joined a lot of programs, met a lot of people, and started medication, of course. I've found that I've liked keeping busy. It lets me take my mind off of my thoughts almost, and it makes me feel useful, which has been hard ever since I left my old quote unquote prestigious school. When I have too much free time, I feel guilty. I feel bad for wasting my mom's money, bad for wasting so many years, and bad for letting down my August 30th. I remember when the psychiatrist came back with my mom, her eyes still red from obviously crying. I felt bad for hurting her with my hurt. It's been months now since I started taking my meds. I can't say for sure that they've made things better for me, but I find comfort in knowing that they haven't made things worse. In the meantime, I find little things to look forward to every day. That is the least I can do for my mom.